Okay, ninth onwards now we have to take the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degrees, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower's height is given to you as 50, you have to find the height of the building. Okay, so there are two things, a tower and a building standing opposite to in front of each other, and they are saying from the foot of the tower the elevation of the building is 30, and from the foot of the building the elevation of the tower is 60. Okay, so ये हमने एक टावर बना लिया, 50 मीटर उसकी हाइट दी थी, बिल्डिंग इसको हमें निकालना है, एंड देन हम इनके टॉप के पहली फिगर का दूसरे फिगर के बॉटम से टॉप का एलिवेशन लेना है. सो समवॉट लाइक दिस योर फिगर विल कम आउट टू बी. Okay, so suppose the distance between them was x. Okay, that is just for writing convenience. b d d इतना ना लिखना पड़े. So with h x these variables writing becomes easy, so you can exclude that also. You can just write if you have named this. Okay, so let AB be the building and CD be 50-meter tall tower. Now in the right triangle, so we have two right triangles, one is this and one is here. So first I've taken right triangle BDC, the bigger one here. So in this you have 60, tan of 60 is opposite upon base CD upon DB, that is 50 upon x आ जाएगा, and tan 60 is root 3. So cross multiplying root 3 into x is equal to 50. Okay, or from here x, this distance we can find as 50 upon root 3. Rationalizing, multiplying by root 3, this becomes 50 root 3 by 3. So from the first triangle we have this equation. Now we'll move on to the other triangle, that is your ABD. Now in ABT we have 30 degrees mentioned, so opposite h upon base x again. So x we had evaluated from here, that we'll substitute here. So first cross multiplying, this will become x upon root 3, and x कितना था यहाँ equation 1 में 50 root 3 upon 3 we had already evaluated. So 50 root 3 upon 3 and into this is tan 30's value. ये x हो गया, ये 30. So root 3 आपका cancel कर जा रहा है. Hence we are obtaining h as 50 upon 3. That is changing it to mix 2 upon 3 meters. That is your height of the building is this much. That is what you had to find. Now 10th one children says you have two poles of equal heights and they are standing opposite to each other on either side of a road which is 80 meters wide. Okay, so here you have two poles AB and CD which are equal in height. अगर ये h है, ये भी h है, and they are on the either side of a road which is 80 meters wide. Okay, then somewhere they said there is a point in between. Find from a point between the road between them on the road the angle of elevation of the top of the two poles. From one for one pole it is 60 and for the other it is 30. तो in between means ये point कहीं भी हो सकता है, not right in between. Okay, mid point नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर mid point से होता तो elevation same आते, क्योंकि height same है already. Okay, so from the elevations we know that this point P would be nearer to one. जिसके नियर होगा वहां पे से 60 बनाएगा, जिससे दूर होगा वहां से 30 बनाएगा. द नियरर यू आर द मोर इज द एलिवेशन. ओके, पास से देखोगे ऊपर को तो ज्यादा ऊपर ऊंचा देखना पड़ेगा, दूर से हल्के से में दिख जाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट योर फिगर विल कम एज. ओके, सो वी हैड टू आई थिंक फाइंड द हाइट एज वेल एज दिस डिस्टेंस. ये पॉइंट पी दोनों पोल से किस डिस्टेंस पे है, दैट इज व्हाट आवर क्वेश्चन इज. ओके, so we would say let A, B and CD are the poles of the same height h I have kept on either side of a 80 meter wide road which is BD, and P is some point in between, and then we are obtaining two right angle triangles. So in one triangle, that is ABP, if we apply trigonometry, tan of 60 will be h upon x, AB upon DB, opposite upon base, whichever way you understand. So from here h comes out to be tan 60 is root 3 and ये cross multiply हो जाएगा into x. So h is equal to 3 root x. Okay, then likewise we have another triangle there now, that is triangle CDP. So in triangle CDP, can you all see that? In triangle CDP now tan of 30 is there. Tan of 30 is again opposite is h and base will be, अगर मैंने इसको x कहा है, उसने पूरी 80 बोली थी, तो ये left over 80 minus x हो जाएगा. right? So tan 30 that is 1 upon root 3. Values you must be remembering. Cross multiply करोगे तो 80 minus x and h root 3. So root 3 and h की value हमने first equation से रख ली है. So from the first equation, putting value of h from the first equation, h is 3 root x, root 3x, sorry, and root 3 will come from here. So that will become root 3 into root 3 is 3x. And ये x इधर आएगा तो ये 4x हो जाएगा. Root 3x plus x which is 4x. And x will become 80 upon 4 which is 20. Okay. So we have got this distance is 20. So the leftover would be 80 minus 20 that is 60. And height भी हमें निकालनी थी तो height हमने यहाँ पे expression बनाया था that h is equal to root 3 into x. So root 3 into x हमारा आ गया 20. So h comes out to be 20 root 3. Okay. Hence we would say that height of the pole is coming out to be 20 root 3 and point is at a distance 20 meters from one pole and at a distance of 30 meters from the other pole. Okay. Now for the 11th one children, they've made the figure also for you. So the work is easy. We have a TV tower which stands vertically on bank of a canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point which is 20 meters away from this point, you have the elevation as 30 now. Then you have to find the height of this tower and as well as the width of this tower. Okay, so that is your tower. Let AB be the tower. And then उसने बोला था कि एक canal के एक पॉइंट पर ये है और उसके ऑपोजिट पॉइंट पर एक पॉइंट है जहां से एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप इज 60. तो वो पॉइंट हमने सी ले लिया है यहाँ पे. ओके. एंड देन उसने बोला फिर 20 मीटर्स और उससे अगर आप आगे को चलते हो तो फिर एलिवेशन 30 हो जा रहा है. So that is how your figure comes out to be. So you had to find the height of the tower. Let us call it as h and also the width of the canal. तो ये canal है. canal के एक end पे tower था and दूसरे end से हम उसको observe कर रहे थे. Right? Okay. So that is how it goes. Now you will refer the figure from here only children. When you are fairing it up in your notes, then you will make this figure. I haven't made it. I'll study it from here only and you try and understand. Okay. So we are saying here, oh, I'll have to shorten this. Okay, maybe this way. So that's your figure there. And then in triangle ABC, so the smaller triangle here. In triangle ABC, we can see tan of 60. So in triangle ABC, tan of 60 is AB upon BC, which is root 3 is tan 60's value. And we've called AB the tower as h and the width of the canal as x. So from here you get cross multiplying h is equal to root 3x. Ek equation banega. Then likewise, now you see another triangle you have is ABD. So in that triangle ABD now, tan of 30 comes. So tan of 30 is AB upon BD. Okay. Opposite is AB and BD is this whole base. So tan 30's value is 1 upon root 3 and AB is the height h and BD x plus 20. ये आपको already ये हमने width x मानी है, ये 20 given था. तो ये total आपका base हो गया x plus 20. Again cross multiplying x plus 20 is h root 3. ओके. एंड यहाँ हम h ऑलरेडी इवेल्युएट कर चुके थे एज रूट 3x, तो वो आप यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दोगे इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. सो x plus 20 will become root 3 into root 3x. This becomes 3x and this x comes here as minus x, so 2x. 3x minus x becomes 2x. So 2x is equal to left hand side में 20 बचा था, so 20 upon 2, that is your x is coming out to be, okay, let's see it now with this now. So x is equal to 20 upon 2 which is 10. Okay, तो हमको width of canal पता चल गई. x था width of canal which will be 10. So the width of the canal is 10 meters and height from here back root 3 times x. So x हमारा evaluated है, so root 3 into 10, that is 10 root 3 will be the height of the tower. Okay, so that is how it comes out to be.